have total 7 launches. One is a plant on wheels. This was inaugurated by Shri Nitin Gadkari ji, the Minister for Road and Transport. And there is a second product which is a little lower version of this plant on wheels in terms of capacity. The earlier one is 230 Smart JHF, which is a 200 tons. The second one is Smart JHF 150, which is 150 tons. So this is the 2 models. Other than that, we have a hydraulic cones. 2 cones have been launched. One is EC 2500, the other one is EC 3500. We have also launched a HSI 1213. This is a horizontal shaft impactor, which is basically for soft stones. And we have also launched a track plant, track jaw BT 130. So total 7 products we have launched in this XCon.
Okay, sir. From how long you are participating in XCon 2023 and what kind of changes do you see here and how XCon is helping you to grow?
See, XCon is growing big. I think we have been participating at least for more than 7 XCon. And at least for the last 2-3 XCons, we have been one of the sponsors. And we see the XCon is growing in terms of visitors coming from different countries. I remember some 6 countries, 5 countries. Now it has gone to 15 countries. Then earlier it was 30,000, 40,000 visitors. But today it is going to 80,000 and close to 1 lakh. So that's where, the things are happening. Of course, at the end of the day, it means business. Everything means business. And the business is good for all the exhibitors. And particularly for Hailstone, we have been seeing the previous XCon as well as this XCon, a good number of enquiries and, good number of lead generations. Of course, order bookings also happen in this XCon.
And sir, safety is more important for every equipment company. What kind of safety measures you are providing to your employees or customers?
See, safety is very important, as you said. We have a lot of safety features. So I tell you, we have a panel in many of the machines. A panel is an electric panel where the electric cable and VFDs are there. A simple technique I tell you that वो चाबी कर उसको lock नहीं किया तो machine run नहीं होगा. So, like for example, if you don't wear the seat belt and if you don't close your door, car will not start. That is a kind of a feature. Just one small feature I want to tell you, but there are plenty of features. Of course, we do a lot of trainings to the operators and the customers also in terms of safety point of view.
And so, what will be your roadmap for upcoming year?
Upcoming year, we see a 50% kind of a growth for the organization, and we are going to get our footprints into certain countries where we have not explored or not reached. So the pan-India business also will grow, and we are already expanding our dealer and our sales team network. So this will very much happen in the coming year.
So, sir, do you see any difference doing business in India or in other countries?
Yeah, business in India, I always call them as a CCC, cost conscious customer. So price is one of the very important factor for an Indian customer, but that's not the situation with many other countries. They look at the quality or they look at the serviceability, the life, the product life cycle management, PLM. So those are the areas. So हमारा में गाड़ी लेने के समय में कितना देता है? That is the kind of an question. So that's a difference between it's a buyer psychology varies from country to country.
Wrapping up this conversation, would you like to send any message to your customers?
Hailstone has transformed. That's where our new logo is there. Transform. The change is basically to serve the customer. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your...